Today is 7 November. Market has been actually trending upward quite nicely, and today it trade a wide range bar with increased volume up 17 points to close at 3280. Now it managed to actually clear the resistance at 3260, which provides some support going forward. Immediate resistance is at 3300. Now let's take a look at some of the stocks we've been discussing. This is AAM. Now over here itself we have a reactions, and this is a small dipper. It broke out with a gap follow through and making successive high. Now of course the daylight right now is very big, so it's actually carry some risk going forward. So you have to manage your position if you have it very closely, and we have to be aware that it's actually approaching this prior high made in March 2018, and usually do not actually break on first attempt, so you got to be careful when approaching the level. This is high P. Now mentioned in the previous video that manufacturing is the strongest sector currently. Now over here we have a small dipper and broke out with an extension bar, and today it managed to actually follow through with a smaller bar. Look for pullback and look for new setups to go long. Again, be mindful of overhead resistance when approaching the level. UMS, quite similar patterns with the AEM. Very steep move, and at this resistance you notice there was a pullback. And after the pullback, it actually break on the upside. Today trade inside there with low volume, generally healthy. I'd like to see a break above the high here of 87 cents. Now Venture is a laggard. Now mentioned that $16 is a very critical resistance and managed to actually take out. And if I follow through today, look for pullback here and look for new setups to go long. Let's turn our attentions to the bank DBS. Very strong move, and over here we have a small deeper breakout, and today managed to make a high. Now yesterday there was an attempt to actually break 2660, but it was actually a very weak attempt, and today managed to actually clear, which is generally positive. Again, be careful when you approach the overhead resistance about $27. UOB. Now we have to be careful that actually is DBS actually making the announcements, earning announcement 11 November. UOB. After a run up, there was a pullback, and you coincide with this previous high here. I'd like to see take out decisively the high here of 26.98, $27. OCBC. Nice gap up followed by pullback. Like to see take out this high here of 11.13, and today it actually closed at that level. Property stock CDL. Now I mentioned a few weeks ago that it's commend a new trend. Now this bar here, after the big cap itself, requires some kind of repair, and this is what you're currently doing, trading sideways. Again, we'd like to wait for its consolidation, eventually take out the high of 1106. UOL. After breaking this high, now experiencing pullback, slightly lower volume. Look for a break above the high here of 805. This is a small dipper setup. Capital Land. Now today it staged a breakout. If you notice, actually it was actually at the resistance level here, and there was a pullback and a breakout. Important thing, we'd like to see a follow through. Notice the volume is high. This is generally positive.